Got the Ron Swanson and my boyfriend and I love it. Everyone I show the magnet to loves it too. This may be the best purchase I have ever made. Makes me actually want to do the dishes so I can keep flipping the magnet around. Magnet itself is rather large and sturdy, as it should be considering it's a Swanson. Ron would be proud. Just as described. Makes it fun to use the dishwasher. Ha ha ha. I want to start by saying this was a late night I am bored and on Amazon purchase and I definitely didn't need this but I am so glad I got it. I live alone and barely use my dishwasher and when I do I always forget it if it's clean or dirty so I think this will help. Plus I am a super fanatic of The Office so it's perfect. I love this. Came in a little box so it wasn't bent and it sticks perfectly. My husband loves Ron and this was the perfect gift. Quote. Love it. Got this for my girlfriend as a Christmas present. She loved it. Product is exactly as shown. Very good quality and can be used on dishwashers that aren't metal. Very satisfied. Click link in description for more reviews.